All right, adding and subtracting polynomials. Add or subtract to simplify each expression. Okay, so I feel like the easiest way to do this is to just kind of mark the things that can go together. So we have an x squared right here. So the 2x squared can go with this 3x squared. I have a minus 4x. That can go with this plus 8x. And then I have a minus 1 and a minus 4. The only other thing that we really need to note is that this is subtraction, and that is important. So let's start with our x squared. We have 2x squared. We're going to use our subtraction sign. 2x squared minus 3x squared. So that's going to give us, so let's say this is a. 2x squared minus 3x squared, that's negative x squared, or negative 1x squared. Remember, we don't have to write the 1, but you can. It's not wrong. Okay, so then we're going to do our blue. Blue is negative 4x minus 8x. Remember, we have to take that minus into account. So negative 4x minus 8x is going to give us negative 12x. And then finally, we have a minus 1 minus a negative 4. Remember, when we have minus a negative, or negative negative, that becomes a positive. So negative 1 plus 4, that's going to be a plus 3. So you should have for a, you should have negative x squared minus 12x plus 3. And we're going to do the same thing for b. We have 5b to the 4th, and we don't have any other b's to the 4th. We have a negative 2, and we have a negative 4. Those two can go together. They don't have any b's. And then we have a 3b squared and a 3b squared. And this time we are adding, which is nice to do. All right, so b, and we should be writing these in standard form. My highest exponent is a 4, so I'm going to go ahead and write my 5b to the 4th power. Oh, I didn't mark this. I also have this 5b squared right here that I didn't have anything written with. But that's actually a b squared, so we can actually put that with our other 3b squared and our 3b squared. So let's put that in green. All right, so I'm actually going to do green next because it has an exponent, and that's always going to take precedence over things that do not have an exponent. So 3b squared plus 5b squared plus 3b squared. 3b squared plus 5b squared is 8b squared plus another 3b squared. That's going to give me 11b squared. And then finally, I have a negative 2 plus a negative 4. That's going to be a negative 6. Negative 2 plus negative 4 is negative 6. And that's all for that one.